Have you ever wondered why an old iron gate turns reddish-brown over time, or how stunningly perfect crystals form from a simple solution? Today we're diving into the captivating world of rusting and crystallization. These two processes, as different as they may seem, are prime examples of nature's ability to transform materials into something entirely different, often with beautiful or fascinating results. Rusting, a form of iron oxidation, is responsible for the characteristic reddish-brown hue that iron takes on over time. On the other hand, crystallization is a process where a disordered system, such as a solution, transforms into a structured, often visually stunning array of crystals. Understanding these processes not only satisfies our curiosity, but also holds the key to numerous practical applications in areas such as corrosion prevention and crystal engineering. The magic of nature lies in its processes, some of which are unfolding right before our eyes. Picture an old iron gate, its once shiny surface now a patchwork of reddish-brown. This transformation is the result of a process known as rusting. Now let's unravel this process, shall we? When iron comes into contact with water and oxygen, it sets the stage for rusting. The water, being a good conductor of ions, facilitates the flow of electrons from the iron to the oxygen. This transfer of electrons is what we call oxidation. But why does it happen? Well, the oxygen in the air is naturally attracted to the iron, and it's this attraction that starts the process. As the iron loses its electrons, it changes its state and becomes iron oxide, a compound more commonly known as rust. The water then accelerates the process by facilitating the interaction between the iron and the oxygen. Now here's where things get really interesting. The rusting process is not just a simple reaction. It's a series of complex chemical reactions that gradually degrade the iron. The once sturdy and shiny iron gate, when exposed to the elements, slowly deteriorates over time due to these reactions. But don't let the simplicity of rust fool you. It's a fascinating demonstration of chemistry in action, a silent testament to the relentless march of time and the elemental forces at play. So next time you see a rusty old gate or car, you'll know that it's not just neglect, but a complex chemical process at work. From dazzling diamonds to simple salt crystals, the process of crystallization is all around us. Crystallization is a fascinating natural phenomenon that involves the transformation of a substance from a liquid or gas state into a solid state, forming a crystal structure. This transformation occurs when a solution of the substance becomes saturated or reaches a point where it can no longer dissolve any more of the substance. Imagine stirring sugar into a cup of hot tea. At first, the sugar dissolves readily, but as you continue to add more sugar, there comes a point where the sugar begins to pile up at the bottom of the cup, unable to dissolve. This is because the tea has become saturated with sugar. Now, when the tea begins to cool, the sugar starts to form into crystals. This is crystallization in action. Crystals, in their most basic form, are simply a collection of atoms or molecules arranged in a highly ordered, repeating pattern extending in all three spatial dimensions. The beauty of crystals lies in their diversity and the myriad of forms they can take. From the intricate complexity of a snowflake to the stunning simplicity of a diamond, each crystal is unique and serves a different purpose. They are not just for show either. Crystals have a wide variety of applications in our everyday lives. They are used in technology, medicine, and even food production. Crystals, with their perfect geometry and diverse applications, are truly one of nature's masterpieces. Both rusting and crystallization are everyday phenomena with far-reaching implications. These aren't just abstract scientific concepts. They're processes that touch our lives in ways we may not always recognize. Rusting, as we've seen, is an oxidation process, where iron reacts with oxygen in the presence of water. This process, though often seen as a nuisance, is a testament to the ever-changing nature of materials. It's also a crucial consideration in industries like construction, automobile, and even space exploration, where managing and preventing rust can mean the difference between success and failure. On the other hand, crystallization is a marvel of nature's design skills. From the salt on your dining table to the intricate patterns of a snowflake, it's a process that creates order from chaos. It's fundamental in industries such as pharmaceuticals, where it's used to purify substances, or in tech, where it's used to produce semiconductors. Understanding these processes not only satisfies our curiosity, but also opens the door to a world of scientific and practical application.